give a little rundown on the stuff you need. You need that powdered milk, instant powdered milk, dry milk, cream cheese, some M&Ms for them sweet tooth, some energy mix, and duplex cookies for the crust. So those are the ingredients right there. So y'all know what you need before we start getting into it. Gonna be separating that cream from these cookies, the cream filling, because that's gonna be part of your the cheesecake part, the filling on the cake, and the cookies is gonna be the crust. So you want to separate them and dump that cream into a bowl, just like I got right here. And the cookies, you're gonna crush them up into a fine powder, just like I got over here. Try to take all these big chunks out of there, crush them up real good, because that's just gonna give you a hard time. So anyways, you're gonna crush it up, then you're gonna add a little bit of water to it. Now this is the part right here you gotta be real careful with, because if you put too much water, you're gonna fuck that cake off. So you gotta be real careful with it. Put a little bit of water and start mixing it, just to make that dough for the crust. And you don't want to put too much water on this, because you put too much, it's gonna turn into fudge. That's something you don't want. You want this to be like a crust, like a cake, like a cheesecake crust. So you just want to put just enough, and if you don't put enough, it's gonna be all hard on you. It's gonna fall apart. It's not gonna stay stuck good. You want it to lock up. It's just right here, that's just perfect. So once you do that, you're gonna get a plastic, smush it all down. A little example of what to do, and you smush it down until it ends up like this, and that's your crust right there. That's your crust. Get into that final step with that filling of that cheesecake. This is where that cream from the cookies comes in hand. You're gonna mix all that powdered milk, the cream cheese, and the trail mix in there. You're gonna whip it all up together and make a batter out of it. You add like 3 teaspoons of water, the most 4 if you like your shit a little bit watery, but no more than that. And this is what you're gonna end up with. This is the filling, the cheesecake filling. Now we're gonna dump it into the crust, put it in there. Yeah, but you're gonna pour it in there. Switch it around, fill up that crust. Yeah, but you spread it all out, and this is what you end up with right there. It still ain't done. Get a little neater as we go. This is the last touch right here. We're gonna add the topping on it. We're gonna put some M&Ms on the top, a little bit of both, just a little bit. Cheesecake right there. Well, that's it right there, Russell. All you gotta do now is enjoy. You let it sit for a couple hours also, it could lock up. Well, thank y'all for watching the video and hope y'all learned something from this. Puro pinche vida salvaje, ya te la sabes. Shout out to all my boys up in this bitch.